cultural woman. And where did you come from, bitch? Nothing but light skin. Obviously, go out there and get your suntan. That's about it, right? Get it on, bitch. What you got left? Ain't nothing. Poof. Look, fart. Where's your fart at, bitch?
Cheyenne!
You look like you served the army, but what'd you do? Nothing but sit like that damn eat. Right? Eat.
I already see what's
Eat.
going on.
Eat.
I need to move you and get right here.
No.
Whoa, don't back, wrong answer. Don't come up, back, wrong answer. I'm playing no game, girl.
I'm not playing.
Wrong answer. Turn your ass around and fuck with somebody else. I'm the wrong
I'm
one.
not fucking with you.
Oh, I know you ain't.
Get out of my way. Excuse me, please.
Move now.
Excuse me. At least I got fucking manners.